While seemingly a simple stance, executing the horse stance correctly is crucial to prevent injury and maximize its benefits. In this video, we'll discuss 5 common mistakes practitioners make in the horse stance that can lead to injuries if not corrected. Let's get started. Number 1. Incorrect foot placement. The foundation of a solid and efficient horse stance is correct foot placement. Practitioners frequently undervalue this aspect, which can cause a number of problems later on. It's important to place your feet appropriately in the horse stance in order to preserve alignment, stability, and balance. Some common foot placement mistakes are placing the feet too close together, placing the feet too far apart, and improper toe alignment. Ankle, hip, and knee injuries are the most common injuries caused by improper foot placement. An improper alignment or positioning of the foot can put excessive strain on these joints, resulting in overuse injuries, strains, and eventually serious conditions. So, ensure that your feet are positioned approximately shoulder width apart for optimal stability and balance. Align the toes in the direction that feels most natural for your body and martial arts practice. Experiment with slight variations to find the optimal alignment that provides stability without causing discomfort or strain. And also pay attention to the positioning of your feet throughout your practice sessions. Periodically check and adjust your foot placement as needed to maintain proper alignment and balance. Number 2. Poor knee alignment. Maintaining proper alignment of the knees is paramount in any martial arts stance, including the horse stance. The knees serve as crucial pivot points, transferring force and providing stability during movements. However, incorrect knee alignment can lead to discomfort, instability, and long-term joint issues if not addressed. Some common mistakes are allowing the knees to cave inward, extending your knees beyond the toes, and failing to keep the knees aligned with the toes in a parallel position. Poor knee alignment significantly increases the risk of acute injuries such as ligament sprains, as well as chronic conditions like patellofemoral pain syndrome and osteoarthritis. Additionally, improper knee alignment can lead to muscle imbalances and compensatory movements, exacerbating the risk of injury throughout the lower body. So, ensure that your knees track in line with your toes throughout the horse stance. Visualize an imaginary line extending from your toes to your knees and aim to keep them parallel to maintain proper alignment. Actively engage the quadriceps and gluteal muscles to stabilize the knee joint and support proper alignment. This helps distribute the load evenly and reduces strain on the surrounding structures. Number 3. Rounded back. In every martial arts stance, including the horse stance, it is imperative to maintain a straight and neutral spine. Unfortunately, rounding the back is a common error that can cause discomfort, decrease the stance's effectiveness, and raise the possibility of a back injury. Some common mistakes include slouching, arching the lower back, and failing to engage the core muscles. In the horse stance, rounding the back can result in a number of musculoskeletal problems, such as disc herniation, spinal misalignment, and muscular tension. This bad posture might eventually lead to decreased mobility and chronic back pain, which will impair one's ability to perform martial arts techniques. So, throughout the horse stance, concentrate on lengthening the spine and maintaining it in a neutral posture. Picture a thread straightening your spine from the base of your neck to your tailbone, pushing upward from the top of your head. For stability and good posture, actively contract the muscles of the core, especially the lower back and abdominals. By doing so, the spine is shielded and alignment is preserved under strain. Number 4. Tensing shoulders and neck. A balanced and comfortable distribution of tension across the body is necessary for the horse stance. But a typical error that can impair fluid movement, decrease efficacy, and raise the risk of muscular strain and tension headaches is tensing the shoulders and neck. Some common mistakes include elevated shoulders and tight neck muscles. Over time, muscular imbalances, trigger points, and postural problems can result from persistent stress in the shoulders and neck. Furthermore, decreased blood flow and nerve compression in these regions may be linked to migraines, headaches, and other discomforts that impair general health and martial arts performance. So, give your shoulders permission to drop naturally away from your ears to help you release tension in them. Imagine that the shoulder blades are sliding down your back, opening up your upper body. During the horse stance, pay attention to the muscles in the neck and jaw and deliberately soften and relax them. Do not unnecessarily clench or tighten these places. Number 5. Neglecting breathing. Proper breathing is a fundamental aspect of martial arts training, and it plays a crucial role in executing stances such as the horse stance effectively. However, neglecting to focus on breathing is a common mistake that can lead to decreased stamina, increased tension, and diminished overall performance. Common mistakes include shallow breathing, holding your breath, and failing to establish a consistent breathing rhythm. Inadequate or improper breathing during the horse stance can lead to increased muscle tension, reduced oxygen supply to the tissues, and decreased endurance. Over time, this may contribute to fatigue, diminished performance, and an elevated risk of injury due to compromised stability and control. So, practice deep diaphragmatic breathing to optimize oxygen intake and promote relaxation. Inhale deeply through the nose, allowing the abdomen to expand, and exhale fully, drawing the navel toward the spine to expel stale air. Coordinate your breath with your movements in the horse stance, inhaling as you lower into the stance and exhaling as you rise. Establishing a steady rhythm helps regulate energy expenditure and maintain focus, and also cultivate mindfulness of your breath throughout your practice sessions. Pay attention to the quality and depth of your breathing, and make adjustments as needed to ensure smooth, consistent airflow. The bottom line is that the horse stance is a foundational posture in martial arts, but it must be executed correctly to reap its full benefits and avoid injury. By avoiding common mistakes such as incorrect foot placement, poor knee alignment, and rounded back, practitioners can ensure a safe and effective practice. Remember, quality of technique always outweighs quantity of practice, so focus on proper form and alignment to maximize the effectiveness of your training while minimizing the risk of injury. If you're interested in knowing what 5 minutes of horse stance training every morning will do to your body, then click to watch the video on screen and find out.